How to Write a May 2025 Step-by-Step Guide. A resume equals your job story on one page. Show skills plus experience. Goal: get an interview. Format: best reverse order latest job first. 1 page for new normal jobs. 2 pages only of long experience. Contact info: full name, phone, email, city, country. LinkedIn portfolio link. Summary objective: to 3 lines about you. Show skills plus main goal. Example: marketing student. Skilled in social media, looking to grow brand reach. Work experience. Job title, company, dates. 3-5 short points. Start with action word: led, made, improved. Add numbers if possible: increased sales 20%. Skills: hard skills, Excel, Photoshop, Java. Soft skills: teamwork, communication. Match with job ad. Education: degree plus school name. Year of graduation. Add projects if you are a student. Extras optional. Certificates. Volunteer work. Languages. Design tips. Simple, clean, easy to read. Use common fonts: Arial, Calibri. Save as PDF. Some samples of resume are shown next.